Hi everyone, I'm Manish Pandey. Welcome back to the UiPath Document Understanding series. In this video, we will explore how to use multiple classifiers like Keyword Based Classifier and Intelligent Keyword Classifier together in one classified document scope for the document classification. So let's start. So as you saw that like here we used keyword based classifier and then here is intelligent. Now it's time to merge both the classifier, put that both the classifier into one. So let's cut this from here and delete this commented out activity and put it here. So now we have keyword based classifier and intelligent keyword classifier. We can have multiple classifiers added into the one scope. Here we have passed that learning file path for keyword based classifier, and right side we have entered learning file path for intelligent keyword classifier. We have the endpoint and the API key. Now click on manage learning for intelligent keyword classifier, and now you can see that we have already trained this and we have extracted the keywords. We did that in the previous video. For the keyword based classifier, we did the learning, like we added those keywords manually here. Now we need to configure the classifier. Now as we have multiple classifiers in one document scope, so we need to configure that. So here you can see there are two more checkboxes here. This is for keyword and this is for intelligent. Now there are multiple cases you can try running and you can check how this works. So we have minimum confidence. So minimum confidence we have for both the classifiers, keyword based classifier and intelligent keyword. Let's understand about this minimum confidence and how this works. UiPath basically executes all selected classifiers in parallel during the classify document scope activity, and each classifier processes the same documents independently and returns the predicted document type, means it can be an invoice, receipts, etc., and along with the confidence score. Now, if none of them meet their confidence minimum confidence, then what happens? So, if all classifier return prediction below their respective thresholds, the document is not classified, and the validation station may be triggered based on the your setup. Now, the key tips is that always set realistic minimum confidence thresholds based on the real test result, and avoid setting all thresholds too high. Start with the low like 50 to 60% and you can tune it later. Now for the invoice, I want to use both the classifier. So I need to check that. So in this column, there are two columns. This column is for keyword, this is for intelligent. Now I want to apply both the classifier for the invoice, and for receipts also I want to apply. So first we'll check with both the classifiers and with minimum confidence 0. So let's see what happens. So in case of, let's say we are going to pass the invoice document, and here we have set minimum confidence 0, and for the intelligent keyword classifier we have set minimum confidence 0. So if we are getting the result, the score, the confidence that is greater than 0, so the first keyword based classifier output will be showing. It means this one will be considered, the result will be considered for the keyword based classifier, and then that suggested or the predicted document type. Same way for receipts. So if you have selected both and the minimum confidence is 0, so first it will give you the output of the keyword based classifier. So let's see that. First case is with both the classifiers with minimum confidence 0. We have given the document as receipts. Let's debug this. So once boot will reach to this step, it will parallelly run both the classifier and try to give you the confidence score between 0 to 1 or like 0 to 100, and then it will also give you identified document type. You can see the results from the classification results. It has identified the document type as a receipts, which is correct, and then confidence is 0.49, correct, and keyword based classifier has identified that as a receipts. So you saw here, let me stop that. You saw here For the receipts, we have set both the classifier and the confidence is 0. So for both the classifiers, the output is more than 0. So it has taken the first one. Now let's say I'm going to change that this keyword classifier confidence to 50%. You saw that this keyword based classifier is giving us confidence score that is 43 or 48 around. Now let me save that and let's see what is going to happen. So this is case 2 where we are setting the minimum confidence 50 for the keyword based classifier and intelligent keyword classifier 0. Let's run it. Let's open this results and you can see here it has identified this data correctly, receipts, and this is 1.0. The confidence score is 1.0 and the classifier which has identified this is intelligent keyword classifier. Means this intelligent keyword classifier is giving us 100% result. This is 100% we can say because this shows between 0 to 1. So this is 100% confident that this is receipts. And you saw that here, let me stop that. Why it has not taken the classifier name as a keyword based? Because the output was less than 50%. And here we are setting minimum confidence 50. And here in the intelligent keyword, it is 0. So means it can give you that, right? So basically we have set our expectation here that we want at least 50% confidence for this. If this classifier is 50% confidence, then only I want that output, because I am not sure like if it is below 50, might be it will identify that receipts document as a invoice. So that's why I want this to give me at least more than 50% confidence. So if it is not 50%, it will not give you the result for this. It will just move to the next one. Now, what will happen if I remove that? So let's say the third case is I'm going to only use the keyword based classifier for both the documents, invoice and receipts. I'm just going to use keyword based classifier. And now let's see what is going to happen. As we have both the classifier used here, but I am not configuring here. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's run that. So you can see here there is an error. We don't have any classification results because you see here we have set these two documents to only work on the keyword based classifier where the minimum confidence we have set it 50%, but you remember it was giving only 43 or 48%. So that's why we are getting error and it will not be able to work on the another classifier because of we have not configured that. So if you want to avoid this type of error, this type of issue, you need to configure both and try to test these results and then only you set the minimum confidence here. So as you saw that we are only getting 40 or 48%, 45% like that. So always give like minimum confidence 30%, 40% like that. Here you can expect like this intelligent keyword classifier. This works fast and better than the keyword based classifier. So here you can set it like uh, I want like 70% or 80% results like that. So in this case, what will happen? It will always give you the maximum. So let's say the result is the predicted score is let's say 85%. Then this will it will give you the result of the intelligent keyword classifier. So always it accepts the maximum confidence score. So you can see here now it has identified and then this is receipts and confidence is 0.49 and it is using keyword based classifier. This is 49 and here we have set it as a 40. That's why it has given the result of keyword based classifier. If I set it 50, so it will directly move to the the intelligent keyword classifier, because here will we have more than 80% results then. So I hope you understood how to use multiple classifier here for the document classification. You understood the how this minimum confidence this works here for the multiple classifiers. Thank you so much for watching.